Hey, I'm Shaun, the lead for social tech at YOUKNOW Technologies. Today, I'll be showing you how to use OneSignal journeys to guide new users of your app through completing their profile, because we all know that half-filled profiles equals half-baked data. Why does this matter? Well, a sign-up alone these days shouldn't really be considered success, but profile completion can be considered a success. And without that info, we know that your app can't deliver personalized content, recommendations, or that value that people in this modern day tend to want. So this journey gives new users a welcome nudge using multiple different communication channels to get that profile registration done. So let's have a look. I'll take you guys through the whole journey, but the first step is always to look at the journey settings and the entrance criteria. So as you can see here, we've named it Breathe SA Onboarding. And I should mention that Breathe SA is just a fake little wellness app that we came up with for this demonstration as well. So our entry rules here is essentially targeting new users of the app. So anyone who downloaded the app or is logging in for the first time, so forth, these people will all be captured in our onboarding journey. Exit rules for this journey is as soon as they've moved through the entire journey, they will leave the journey. So in other words, we are onboarding users. We will only onboard users once, and then they will be placed into other journeys or whatever else we have set up on this platform. In our case, we can also say met a certain condition because we essentially want profile registration. So we can select one or the other and it wouldn't really matter. And as I mentioned, re-entry rules, this is a once-off journey. People won't get onboarded more than once. We can absolutely set that to be just a once-off and go. But we also have the ability to schedule journeys and so forth, especially, thinking about managing campaigns and so forth. We can absolutely do that too. Right, so we've got our new users entered into our journey, and the first thing they will see when they open their app is a welcome in-app message. Say, welcome to Breathe SA. Let me just open this up so I can show you. These in-app messages can be templatized here on the left-hand side. You can build up a bank of them and you can call them up when you are building your journey. But what you can also do is build the in-app message right here in the editor, as I have done. And as you can see here, we say, welcome to Breathe SA. Let's get your first session set up. It only takes a minute, and with a big button that says complete your profile. What I have also specified here is for this in-app message to live in the app for the first 2 days for new users, so that they get reminded every time they open the app. Let's say they've engaged or not with this in-app message. We can actually set in a yes/no branch that they click on this in-app message, and we will firstly have a look at the no. They did not click on that in-app message, and as you recall, as I said, that in-app message will be alive on the platform for the first 2 days, in which case we're going to be waiting for 2 days. We will give them 2 days to finish that profile registration. If not, we will send them a gentle push notification to just say, hey, don't forget to complete your profile setup, with a nice little creative image in there to capture attention as well. Now at this point, we specify another yes/no branch that they actually click on this push notification. And in this case, we can also set up some segmentation. So yes, if they have engaged and completed their profile registration, they will be considered registered as a registered customer. If not, they will still proceed through the onboarding journey. So that's exactly what we said in here. Yes, they're a customer who's been registered, or no, they have not. And if they have not registered yet, we will wait another day, give them some time. And then last by chance here, send off an email to say, hey, your profile is not yet registered. Please consider signing up, completing the registration so that you can benefit from the full value of the app. And as you can see here, nice little email just saying, yeah, finish setting up your profile, with some additional guidance on how to do that as well. Right, and I should mention for both sides, if the answer is yes, they did engage with that registration messaging, we will then fire off just a welcome email to say, welcome to the app. In this case, it will show the user's first name because they would have registered their account, and we can guide them on what to do next within the app as well. And with that, they leave the exit criteria, or they leave the journey as a newly registered user, at which point we can place them into other journeys too. Cool, so now you know how you can use OneSignal to onboard your new customers onto your app without irritating them. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in seeing more of OneSignal in action, or you want to learn more, just click on the link in the description to book a demo.